Hello. Today we are going to do question 6 of A Levels Math 9709 variant 32. We are working on May-June 2024 paper. In this question, we are given with the diagram that shows a curve y is equals to x e to the power of minus ax, where a is a positive constant and it has a maximum value or maximum point m. We have to find exact coordinate of point m. We know that when a point is maximum, at that point derivative would be equal to 0. So we would differentiate this equation y equals to x e to the power of minus ax. We are going to use product rule, which is d over dx of uv equals to u dv by dx minus v plus v du by dx. So d over dx of x e to the power of minus ax would become x e to the power of minus ax into the derivative of minus ax, which is minus a, plus derivative of x is 1 times e to the power of minus ax. So if we simplify it, it would become minus ax e to the power of minus ax plus 1 e to the power of minus ax, and this is equals to 0 because m is a maximum point. So taking e to the power of minus ax common, it would become minus ax plus 1 equals to 0. Now either e to the power of minus ax is 0 or minus ax plus 1 equals to 0. E to the power of minus ax equals to 0. It has no real solution. So we are left with minus ax plus 1 equals to 0. So minus ax equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 over minus a equals to 1 over a. So let us find the value of y. So y equals to x e to the power of minus ax. We know that x is equals to 1 over a. So y equals to 1 over a times x times e to the power of minus a times x, which is 1 over a. This get cancelled. So this become 1 over a times e to the power of minus 1. So it become 1 over ea. So the coordinate of m equals to 1 by a and 1 over ea. Moving to part B, we have to find the exact value of indefinite integral x e to the power of minus ax dx with the limit 0 to 2 by a. In order to solve this, we are going to use integration by part. So the formula for integration by part is integral u dv by dx dx is equals to uv minus integral v du by dx dx. Now, what is the value of x? So if x is 1, then dx would become, now if you look at the formula, we have two things in the product, x and dv by dx. Either if we look if we look at our formula, we have u and dv by dx. So either u is x or u is e to the power of minus ex. So let's say x, let's say u equals to x, then du by dx equals to 1. If u was x, then dv by dx would automatically become e to the power of minus alpha x or ax. Then v becomes e to the power of minus ax divided by minus a. Let's say if we take now this values or these values are helpful for us. Why? Because if we look at this integral, so in this integral we just have to put v, which is e to the power of minus ax by x, and du by dx is 1. So we know how to find the integral of exponential function. Let's say if we do other way around, so u was equals to e to the power of minus ax, then du by dx would become minus a e to the power of minus ax. By the way, you can skip this part. I'm just giving you why we are taking the blue one, why not the red one. So dv would become dv over dx would become x, and v would become x square by 2. So if we take this, if we think this substitution is right, then when we plug these value into the second integral, we are not, that won't be solved. It would be solved, but we have to revert back to this step, or we have to redo integration by part. So this is not accepted. So this won't help us. This would help us. Now let us put these values. So our integral was integral 0 to 2 by a x e to the power of minus ax dx is equals to, so u was x and v is e to the power of minus ax over minus a, and limit from 0 to 2 by a minus integral v du. V is e to the power of minus ax over minus a into du by dx is 1, so just write dx. So this would become x e to the power of minus ax by a by minus a, is a negative sign as well, 0 to 2 by a plus y plus, because this minus sign and this minus sign get multiplied, and as a result we get a positive sign. 1 over a is outside the integral. Integral of e to the power of minus ax dx. Limit from 0 to 2 by a. So let us integrate e to the power of minus ax, and then we will put all the limits. So it would become x e to the power of minus ax over minus a, limit from 0 to 2 by a plus 1 over a. Integral of e to the power of minus ax is e to the power of minus ax divided by minus a. No, limit from 0 to 2 by a. So let us put the values. So it would become 2 e to the power of minus a multiplied by 2 by a divided by minus a square minus 0. plus 1 over a times e to the power of minus a into 2 by a divided by minus a minus e to the power of 0 divided by minus a. This a get cancelled with this a. Same way this a cancel with this a. So we are left with 2e to the power of negative 2 divided by minus a square plus 1 over a times e to the power of minus 2 plus 1 over a. E to the power of 0 is anything raised to power 0 is 1. It would become 2 divided by e square a square plus 1 over a e square plus 1 over a square minus 1 over e square a square plus 1 over a square. If we rearrange, it would become 1 over a square minus 3 over e square a square. So this is our final answer.